this Dixie Belle Boss primer, which comes in gray, white, and clear. I gave these nightstands 2 coats. Boss is a stain blocking primer, so it will block odors, it will block stain, it will even block bleed through, but time is required to use this primer. So if any of you have been onto Salvaged Inspirations, my blog, or have watched any of my YouTube videos, you know that BIN shellac base primer is my go-to, and I will include the card up in the corner so you can go check out that video. The reason being is because it is fast. The BIN shellac base primer works quickly. The downside is it does have a very strong odor. The cleanup is not easy because it's not water-based, but go check out my video for the solution to that. And also, it's expensive. So Boss is a great alternative if you want a lesser expensive primer that's going to be a stain blocker, odor blocker, and also if you have the time to use it. So let me explain. It can be brushed on, sprayed on, or you can use a roller to apply it. It requires at least 2 coats. You apply the first coat, you wait 1 hour and apply a second coat. To get the stain blocking properties, you have to wait 24 hours before you paint. For myself and the amount of furniture I do on a weekly basis, the BIN or BIN shellac base primer makes more sense because within an hour I'm painting. But if you have the time, this Boss is a great alternative.